Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to do one of my pizza recipes and I'm going to try to make this one very simple, very fast. In my bowl, I have 450 grams of all-purpose flour, and all-purpose flour is also called plain flour in many different parts of the world. And this is equal to 3 cups. I have 4 grams of quick-rising yeast. This is equal to 1 teaspoon, and I'm just going to get that in there. I'm going to take a hand whisk, and now I'm going to mix all of that yeast right into that flour. A lot of people see me adding the salt right away, and they get a little bit upset, but I have been doing this method for over 30 years. I have never had a batch go wrong. So by doing this, you have really mixed that little bit of yeast right into all of that flour. We're going to add in 12 grams of granulated white sugar. This is equal to 1 tablespoon. Just sprinkle that in. And we'll give that a little bit of a stir. And then I have 2 grams of salt. This is equal to half a teaspoon. Just sprinkle that in and give it a stir. So even though I've added that salt in there, the yeast is thoroughly combined in that flour, and that flour is acting as a buffer or protecting that little bit of yeast. So that's perfect, just like that. I have 34 grams of olive oil here. This is equal to 3 tablespoons. And I'll just get that in. And the last thing that I have here is 300 grams of water. This is at 110 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll pour that in. That is exactly 1 cup and 5 tablespoons of water. In today's video, I am using the brand new Cuisinart stand mixer, and I love this machine. I'm just going to tilt this up. I do have more videos using this brand new stand mixer, and I also have a full unboxing and review. I get this on. You can see how easy this is. You give it a little bit of a turn to lock it in. We'll get our dough hook on. Just like that. And then bring the machine down. I've got it on speed number 1 now. I'll turn it up to speed number 2. You can see how nicely that mixes, and it's a very quiet machine as well. Another thing to note, this is a very powerful mixer. It's rated at 500 watts. So at this point, I am going to put this on for a full 8 minutes. I'm going to put the timer on now, and I will come back when it's fully mixed. So here we are again. This is 8 minutes later, and my dough looks really good. So I'm just going to turn the machine off. And then I'm going to press the little button in the back to lift this up. That's a really nice feature. You can bring that up on the angle. And then I'm just going to clean my dough hook. Just get all of that good dough right off of there. That's good. And then to undo it, you just give it a little bit of a twist. Then I'm just going to grab a little bench scraper. This is plastic and it curves, so it's really nice. And then you just want to get all of that dough out. You can see a little bit there, and there we have it. Very nice and clean. We are ready now to split this into 2 little dough balls. Now I've got a scale. If you don't have a scale, you can just do this by eye. And I'm just going to split this into 2 balls. Just kind of eye that. $3.53, 443, 404, 392, 397, 395. Pretty good. Hopefully I was on camera. Yes, I was. I'm just going to push that down and just bring it all in, just like that. And then to turn it, you just go down like this. So as you turn, go like this. And if you find that your dough is a little bit sticky, you just put a little bit of flour down on your work surface, and then you can just push it along into the dough like this as you turn it. You can see that's nice, just like that. I have 2 containers that I have oiled up right here. You just want to take that, place it right in there, and then you're going to spray the top as well to keep that dough from drying out. We'll do the other one. So you can push it, bring it in, and once these start to rise, you do not want to touch these at all. You do not want to cut them. That's what I mean. Once you have them at the size, you don't want to do anything but just roll them out or press them out onto your pan. So another one, all greased. You can use any type of oil. Put it in there like that. I'm going to spray both of these on the top to keep them moist, and that will really allow the dough to start activating. All of that yeast in there will start growing. If I am using these tomorrow, I will leave these on my counter for 90 minutes. That's an hour and a half. And then I will just gently punch down the dough with your fist like this. You just want to punch it down. You want to close them back up and then into the fridge overnight. And then the next day when you bring them out, you can bring them out about 45 minutes before you want to use them, and they're going to be perfect. That really gives the dough a chance for all of those flavor to really become more enhanced. It really does make an amazing dough. A lot of people also ask, how long can you keep a dough? I like to keep it about 3 days maximum. At 3 days, the dough is really starting to get a sour taste to it, and if you love sourdough pizza, it is amazing. So to make this video a lot shorter, I'm going to end the video here. So I've shown you the process so you can try this at home. This is a no-fail recipe. Try it out. Guaranteed results. You're going to love this pizza dough. And to finish off the video, I'm going to take some product shots of the final pizzas. I'm going to be doing bacon pizzas for these 2 doughs. So that's it for this really fast video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you wish. And if you do subscribe, please press that little notification bell. That will alert you every time I upload a brand new video. And if you're on Facebook, you can also check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. I'm very active over there as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.